latest problem on the old rust bucket is I've lost power to all the controls on my driver's side. And now this window got rolled down in the back and I don't have the power to turn it back on. So if I turn my truck on, there's no power. None of these lights are lighting up. I can't lock, unlock, do anything. So I think to diagnose this, we want to do the easiest thing first and make sure we're getting power to the door. And I think that's in here. Driver unlock. I think what we'll try to do is just get a meter in here. And see if any of those fuses are blown. Put my meter on continuity. Just going through and testing. Each fuse. Going through and testing each fuse, making sure none are blown. All those fuses are good, so we should be sending power out to the door. And this truck is an 07, yeah, super old, 240,000 miles. This door has been open and closed a million times. Before going straight for here and trying to get this off, I want to check this guy right here to see if we have a broken wire. Oh, you know what I just realized? When I was messing, oh, look at that. While I'm messing with this guy, yep. While I'm messing with this guy, I'll momentarily get power here. I just rolled that window down, so there's a break. There's a break in that wire there. Okay, so I've traced this group of wires to this guy is what it correlates to. So I'm thinking if we get him unplugged, can we feed him around? Oh. That'll give us, there we go. That'll give us more room to look at where our wire is broken. Oh, look at that. There you have it, folks. That's the smoking gun right there. I don't see any breaks in the rest of them, so that's our power wire. Let's put a connector in here. Okay, the splice is made. Now I'm just gonna get this wrapped up so it just looks like OEM quality, huh? Just keeping this truck alive because truck prices are so dang expensive right now. There, like nothing ever happened. Let's get this fed back through. All right, moment of truth. Well, there you go. If you lose controls on your door or your windows, start with the power. It's got to get power before it functions, right? So we check the fuses, then we check the wiring, and we noticed while we were trying to get into that wiring, if we played with it, I heard some clicking in this door. So we went in there, and it was obvious once you got that off, that wire was broken. So we spliced that together, and now we're good to go for another 240,000 miles. Hey, thanks for watching.